That's our campsite over there, and we're just going a walk, taking a walk at the sites. There's a playground over there, washroom, shower room, laundry room. This is car camping life. See, they have those trailers. Becomber Malt Cafe.
Hello,
morning. Oh, laki niyan ah. Lugaw?
Ay, oo, yung sa gitna.
Come here! Oh!
Naligo ng melon water. Ang galing ng daddy ah. Melon water. Para amoy melon na siya.